Good morning, guys. Venderman here with FuturestraderElite with your pre-market prep on March 27th, Friday. We're going to jump into the 4-hour chart. Give me just a second. Okay, here we go. We're on the 4-hour chart on MNQ. And like we've been talking all week, or about 2 weeks now, about this triple bottom level that we need to protect. It's really about 23,530 is this box down here. They're aiming for it, it looks like. And if we look back in time to the left, we'll see why we have this mark down here. Right back here, grab my cursor, you see we cut into this box. Look at all this cluster to the left here, where we consolidated in between these two zones. And then we kept bouncing out of here, and then we made this huge run and came all the way back down and topped the bottom of this, or tapped the bottom of this box at about 500, 510. Another huge bounce, and then we kept going up. And then, as you can see, yesterday, or in the last couple days, we tapped this top box and went up and came down and tapped it and bounced a little here. And now we're getting this drop down here. So 23,530 and 23,510, you would have to expect. Initially, they would probably try to sweep this to the whole number of 500, maybe even a little bit lower. But this is an area we've been looking for, that we could find a huge bounce. You know, they could save this and maybe start taking this back to the upside and try to give us a bullish pattern, because look what we got to deal with. If we break that, you know, we'll come in here and mark some of this in the live stream probably. If we get below that, you got your S2 pivot at 342, your S3 pivot down here at 22,683. The 38.2 fib on the yearly chart is right in this area around 23.1. I believe. Well, let me click that line. It's at 23,002. The 50% fib is at 21,881. Now that's the fibs on the yearly chart. So we got some higher time frame things maxed out to the downside, so that we have something to look at if we break that box. But hopefully the box will protect us today. And then we'll look a little bit to the upside here on what we might have. Let's say up here we have around 943 to 953 here. And then we have about 410 to 420 up here. We can take this orb off from yesterday. Huge red candle, 4-hour candle there. So really, we need to get probably back above, say, 2470, 24,100 or something. We need to get back up in here somewhere. This line here, yeah, it's 130, so 24,130. We really need to get back up in that area. But we have some imbalance on the 4-hour. Let's look at the 15-minute. Horrible looking chart. Really bearish. It's okay. You know, we got this S1 pivot here at 581. But we just have to tread lightly and see what the market wants to do when it opens up. If it's your first time here on the pre-market prep, join us live on the live stream at 9:30 Eastern at the New York Open. That's where we'll be. Smash that like button so that I'll go push it out further. And I will see you guys in a little bit. Have a great trading day.